Here we have the Oregon Street Railroad crossing in Belgrade, Montana. This is on the Montana Railroad subdivision. I don't know which one. And a BNSF intermodal did just pass. I think you can still see it down there. It's an eastbound. But yeah, so the first signal here, as you can see, it's an EM. It's most likely a Griswold EM. I don't see a logo. Yep, Griswold EM. The lights are Modern Industries 12 by 20 inch lights with incandescence. The bell at this crossing, probably either a Type 2 or Type 1 general signals. And the gate lights are Rico gate lights. That way is facing west towards Broadway Street number 1 and Jackrabbit Lane. And that way is facing east towards Bozeman, Roush Avenue, and Wallace Avenue. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for traffic. There's the relay case right there. Then here's fifth signal right here. Here we have a Safe Tram EM. There's the relay case right there. The lights are Safe Tram 12 by 20 inch lights, which they are the older style, and they have incandescence. There's the emergency information. The dial number is 060-082X. And the gate lights are Rico gate lights. So yeah, that was the Oregon Street. Now it's technically Oregon Street number 1, since there's Oregon Street number 2 right? So that was the Oregon Street number 1 railroad crossing in Belgrade, Montana. I'm outpost 149.89. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll see you down the line.